3, 2, 1.
What actor did Catherine Zeta-Jones marry on 18 November 2000? The answer is D. Michael Douglas. What is the force that keeps the planets in their orbits? The answer is A. Gravity. Who sang 1970's top 10 hit, Baby, I'ma Want You? The answer is C. Bread. What did not invent the electric motor? The answer is D. Albert Einstein. Which show features a group of friends living in New York City? The answer is A. Friends. What is Lord Voldemort's real first name? The answer is C. Tom. Which Wayans brothers teamed up for the 2004 movie White Chicks? The answer is C. Marlon and Sean. Which of the following natural disasters is most likely to result in a narrow path of destruction through a forest? The answer is B. A tornado. In what sport does Sylvester Stallone's character Lincoln Hawk compete in the 1987 movie Over the Top? The answer is C. Arm wrestling. Who was the last Soviet leader before its dissolution? The answer is D. Mikhail Gorbachev. What is the fundamental particle that has both electric charge and mass? The answer is B. Proton. What helps to keep our books organized? The answer is D. Folder. Who developed the smallpox vaccine? The answer is B. Edward Jenner. Who set the record for fastest marathon dressed as a potato? The answer is B. Michael Johnson. Which continent is home to the Amazon rainforest? The answer is D. South America. Who holds the record for most tattoos in 1 hour? The answer is B. Lyle Tuttle. Which planet is known as the gas giant? The answer is C. Jupiter. The length of the sloped surface of a ramp is referred to as what? The answer is D. Input distance. What is the saltiest ocean in the world?
The answer is D. Red Sea.
Scientists who have studied the hydrosphere concluded that about 71% of Earth is covered with water. Which part of the hydrosphere is most often associated with the formation of organic rocks? The answer is B. Oceans. What is the name of anything that has mass and takes up space? The answer is A. Matter. What kind of substance will cool when it touches a cold object? The answer is A. Warm. Named for its steely blue color, which fish has a steelhead variety? The answer is B. Trout. Who is the first woman to serve as Prime Minister of India? The answer is D. Manmohan Singh. What device detects and measures earthquake waves? The answer is A. Seismograph. On TV show Seinfeld, what was the name of Kramer's business that allowed him to hire an intern from NYU? The answer is B. Kramerica Industries. Some materials have negative heats of solution. The dissolution of one of these solutes in water is called. The answer is B. Exothermic process. What was the title of the first episode of the TV show The Dukes of Hazzard? The answer is C. One-Armed Bandits. What type of ionic compound is formed from acid and bases reacting with each other? The answer is C. Salt. What is existentialism primarily about? The answer is C. The individual's freedom and responsibility. Who was the founder of utilitarianism? The answer is D. Jeremy Bentham. What color was the aardvark from the Pink Panther cartoon? The answer is B. Blue. What are the secretions released by the endocrine glands called? The answer is D. Hormones. What is the art movement characterized by a focus on simplicity and an absence of decorative elements? The answer is D. Minimalism. What is haute couture primarily made of? The answer is B. Silk. In Star Wars, what is the name of Han Solo's Wookiee co-pilot? The answer is B. Chewbacca. Protists which use their tails to eat are called what? The answer is D. Filter feeders. Which of the following is a mineral? The answer is A. Diamond. What medical term is synonym of jaundice, a condition characterized by yellowing of the skin, sclera, and mucous membranes? The answer is D, ichorus. The unit leech second was introduced in which year? The answer is D, 1752. The sightseeing tour, during which the Gilligan's Island characters shipwrecked, was planned to last for how long? The answer is C, 3 hours. Which author wrote The Wonderful Wizard of Oz? The answer is C, L. Frank Baum. Who was the first African American to serve as President of the United States? The answer is A, Barack Obama. What does the inner membrane divide into two internal compartments? The answer is C, mitochondrion. What is a box of crayons called? The answer is B, color box. What is the name of the traditional dress of Native Americans, made from buckskin and adorned with beadwork? The answer is D, tribal wear. Which molecule is used for communication between cells? The answer is A, protein. What is a quid pro quo in economic terms? The answer is C, barter. What is a brass instrument that looks like a long tube bent into a U shape? The answer is B, trumpet. Which is a physical change?